3 homemade cough syrups for a dry cough. When we say dry cough, we're referring to a cough without phlegm. It's a reaction that results when the body detects a foreign element in the throat or respiratory airways. Thus, the cough acts as a cleaning mechanism for the area. In order to eliminate a dry cough, we have to help our body clear out the area. To do so, I'd like to show you various super efficient home remedies that aren't aggressive. The solution is to solve a problem without creating another, and, in order to do just that, the best options are natural remedies. However, if you experience a dry cough frequently, you should see a doctor. If the cough is a result of an allergy, asthma, pneumonia or another serious problem, you should undergo a physical exam and follow your doctor's instructions. Afterwards, you can add on these alternative therapies, or, if your case isn't serious, such as if you have a cold, you can opt to only use our suggestions. If you still don't know the cause of your dry cough despite having seen a doctor, try to think if there's an emotional factor that might be affecting you. Some people express situations in the form of somatic symptoms such as dry cough. If that's your case, these cough syrups will be helpful, but you should also seek out other solutions such as psychotherapy or yoga. However, if think somatization is your case, we recommend that you have a classic warm milk with honey. In addition to soothing your throat, it'll help you rest better. Cough syrups for dry cough. 1. Ginger, honey and lemon cough syrup. All 3 ingredients are antibacterial wonders, but honey and ginger are also advantageous because they relieve pain considerably. Ingredients: 3 slices of lemon, 45 grams, 2 tablespoons of honey, 20 grams, 3 pieces of ginger, 50 grams, 2 cups of water, 500 milliliters. Preparation: boil water with the lemon slices and ginger. Add the honey. Wait 15 minutes. Strain the mixture into a glass bowl. Then, store in refrigerator. The syrup will stay good for 2 months. Take 2 or 3 big spoonfuls each day until you feel better. The people who have a chronic cough can take it whenever they want with no problem. None of the ingredients are harmful for your health. Anise, chamomile and clove cough syrup. The properties of each one of these elements are perfect for a dry cough. The 3 of them fight against bacteria and are great painkillers. They also prevent the spasms that lead to dry cough. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters, 1 chamomile tea bag, 1/2 tablespoon of anise, 5 grams, 2 cloves. Preparation: first, boil the water with the chamomile. Then, add the cloves and anise. Wait 7 minutes. Strain the liquid. As with the previous recipe, you can store this cough syrup easily and for a long time. Also, You won't experience any problems if you take it 2 or 3 times a day until your dry cough disappears. Since it's made with natural ingredients, they don't have any side effects until you have an intolerance or allergy to one of the ingredients. Colon, ginger and apple cider vinegar. In other posts, we've talked about the ability of apple cider vinegar to eliminate infectious agents. It's the same case with cayenne pepper. Spicy foods are very effective against said agents. So, we suggest this peculiar cough syrup. Ingredients: 1/4 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 5 grams, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 og 1/4 powdered ginger, 5 grams, 2 tablespoons of water, 20 grams, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 10 grams. For this recipe, mixing everything together and taking a spoonful each day is all you need. You'll feel better before you know it. For the most part, the mixture doesn't taste great, but think of it as a cough syrup that you buy at a pharmacy. Even if they taste bad, you take them because you know they're good for you. Just give it a chance. Everybody is different. Even if we may have the same problem, your bodies react differently. Keeping that in mind, it's worth it to try out different options over a period of several days. By doing so, you'll find the cough syrup that's best for you and be able to get the most out of its properties. Let us know what you discover.